Hello everyone. Let me introduce another very interesting application that is Media Wall Video, which is used to display multiple live YouTube channels on a single screen. Now, why I developed this application? The main reason was that if when we have conventional media rooms for monitoring certain activities, we need multiple channels, multiple live channels to be watched, and for that purpose, we install multiple LEDs or LCDs in our offices or control rooms. Now it makes a lot of complexity in the system because we have to maintain too many wires and too many screens. So in order to avoid this, I developed this Media Wall app, which is using single screen to display multiple channels, and you can add or remove channels very easily. Now let me give you a demo of this app. When you open this app, by default these 6 channels will be displayed to you, which you can play. uh, Now the link to the web app is given in the description. You have so I have these 6 channels. The default channels are displayed. Now if you want to have your own channels on this screen, you can do it by going to the channel management. But for the channel management, you need to log into the system. So the login is very simple. I have used the Google login screen. You just click on the sign in, or you click on this sign in with Google button, and it will just sign in on a Google account, and just allow this account. Now you it will be signed in a second. So here you are logged in. When you log in, you can manage the channels. So you can add as many channels as you want. For instance, if you want to make and add any channel, let me add this Al Jazeera Live. This is the channel. I can just click it, go to the address bar, copy this, copy the URL of the channel, uh, paste the URL here, and let me give it a name. I will give it a name, Al Jazeera English. Add channel. Let me add another channel. For example, I will add Geo News, for example. Now this is the live channel. I can either right click and copy the link address, or I can click on the channel name and then go to the address bar and copy this address. Now I will go here. This is, I will say, Geo News, and over here I will copy the URL. Click on the add channel. So here I have 2 channels added. Now let me go to the home screen. Here is my home screen. Now when I log into my account, I will see these 2 channels, these 2 live channels. So this is now my media wall. You can also remove channels. Let me add another channel. For example, I will say DW Live. Now let me go to the channel. Now this is the live channel. I will right click, copy link address. Over here I will go to the channel management, and in the channel management I give the name as DW News, for example, and I will copy the link address, click on the add channel. Now I have these three channels: Geo News, Al Jazeera English, and DW. When I go to the home, I will see these three channels on my media wall over here. Now, if you want to remove any channel, you can go to the channel management and just click on the remove. For example, if I want to remove the Geo News, I'll click on the recycle button, the delete button, and it will delete the channel removed. And when I go to the home screen, I will see only two channels available to me. So that's it. If you want to have some queries or want to know more about the media wall, you can check on the about page, and that's it. If you want to sign out, you can go to the sign in button and click on the log out. It will log you out from the system, and when you log out, you click on the home, you are logged in as guest, so you get the default channels when you log out from the app. So these are the default channels. So that's all about media wall. Hope you will enjoy using it, and it will save a lot of complexity by installing one large screen instead of installing two many screens in your media rooms for monitoring or for control. So thank you very much. You can open this app by using the link given in the description. Thank you very much.